To keep the volume level of other audio playing when talkback speak in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap talkback. Tap setting. Under audio section, tap sound and vibration, and then tap the blue on off switch next to audio ducking to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. When this option is off, your phone will keep the volume level of other audio playing when talkback speak. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.